Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Panko Crusted Salmon. Cue the music. Well, thanks so much for watching. If this is your first time joining us, do me a favor, go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, well, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Panko Crusted Salmon. So let's get started by introducing our ingredients. We, of course, have some panko breadcrumbs. We've got some fresh parsley. I got some lemon juice, salt and pepper. I've got some olive oil. We've got 4 nice, beautiful salmon fillets, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and of course, we are going to plate this up beautifully when we're done with it. So let's transition in to this table here, and we'll start doing our prep. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to chiffonade this parsley and chop it up nice, and then we're going to add it to those breadcrumbs over there. I like to use the fresh parsley. You can use the dehydrated parsley flakes, but this adds some really vibrant color to this dish, and also, of course, some very nice flavor as well. So that's all there is to that. So I switched out the bowl. You need more room if you're going to do this. So I'm just going to mix these breadcrumbs up with the parsley. I'm going to add our oil. I'm going to add our lemon juice. All the measurements will be down in the description box for you to check out when you make this. Salt and pepper. And all you do is all you want to do is mix all these ingredients that we just added into there. Maybe a little bit more oil. You can use butter if you'd like. Butter works as well. But you just want to make enough to where it kind of balls up on you, because we're going to layer the top of that salmon with this. All right, let's get our salmon. All right, so we've got our salmon here. I've just got some salmon fillets that I had. They've been deboned, and they're still a little bit frozen. So just make sure that they're defrosted when you go to start doing this application here. And you're basically just going to add an equal amount of Dijon mustard to the top of these. Now I have done this with mayonnaise as well. You can do mayonnaise with cod. That actually is a very good flavor combination. And basically this has 2 purposes. It's going to add flavor, and it's also going to get your breadcrumbs and everything that you mixed in that bowl there to adhere to the salmon when it cooks. And it also looks nice too when it's done, as you'll see when we do the pictures. All right, now I'm going to take the breadcrumb mixture that I have, and we're just going to place that right on top, like that. It doesn't matter if you spill a little bit. Now you don't have to, but if you want to, you can kind of push these down into the fish a little bit. Now what I like to do also is to just spray a little more on top so it browns up very nicely. I'm going to put these in the oven for 350, 375 for about 10 minutes to start, and we'll see what they look like then. All right, there they are. I put it for about 20 minutes in there to reach the internal temperature that I wanted for the fish. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plate it up. We're going to take some really groovy pictures of it for social media. We're going to lay it into the timeline with some really groovy music. And then we're going to come back and we're going to give this a taste. So enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. This looks very good. It smells very good. And it tastes very good. Oh my gosh. That Dijon mustard on there gives it the acidity, gives it a high level of flavor. The breadcrumbs give it a nice texture of crunch. The salmon's just a very, very good piece of fish here. Yeah, this is incredible. Very good. Panko Crusted Salmon. Give it a try. I hope you like it. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let us know how we did. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourselves. And thanks for watching It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.